Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Inini phela i-episode le kaMelting ngabe si-interview omunye umuntu lapha namhla. Uzimi interview ngo-10 ekuseni. Manje semfonela bona.
Asiboni manje ufonela umgcini la. Live on cam. Uhlubonto uku-ignore ngavomo umoya.
But at least akasokele kuzeni. Akasoka
Babe kwasi nguye.
wazi ukuthi nguye ngoba si.
Manje nguwe. If you think it's you, it's you.
Offer ama chance.
Yenzanile kwenza.
No bengisaxoxa ukuthi nje bemele si-interview umuntu dog. Ngo-10. UPA wakusidinga sokusele 26 minutes ukuthi i-episode iqale athi somele si-reschedule.
Akuyatholakala.
Akutholakala.
Angathi kutholakele namuhla.
Umasimba.
Angathi kutholakele namuhla.
Hayi. Manje sengistaglan futhi.
Vele it's shooting in flow motion. Njengoba sigcina ukushoot izolo futhi sesila.
Lese freestyle leyani.
Abangakwaziyo, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming to you live from
Cotton Lounge.
Namhla sikhe Cotton.
Sisi King's Crow.
Namhla sise King's Crow.
Hallelujah.
Singabantu abasebenza lamankampani amaningi.
Yabona.
So namhla
sisi King's Crow.
Namhla sikhe Cotton na vele sijale khona, namhla sise King's Crow.
Sisi King's Crow mfana kulelo kuzenini mfana.
Kule
ukudla kumnandi. Izolo nguze ubuza usithi ibhega lele King's Crow lidliwa umuntu eyi-1.
Vele abantu be-King's Crow lumele bethi besitshela iqiniso. Ibhega lela solo umuntu oyi-1 leli. Ibhega leliyana ndoda inyama enkulu kule bhanzi.
Imgcini ibheka.
Imgcini Aldo. Inyama enkulu kule bhanzi.
Usungathatha ukhipha uchebe nga uyaslice.
Uyabenga wenza amabhega ngo2.
Share half.
Fethu ngabayanga thina extending.
Ngathi singabayanga la. Hayi balo lisebenzile leli crazy leli.
Yasifanana nani? Kufanele ukuthi umthathu liloja.
Ufuna ethi uyarenta.
Ngiyarenta do.
Ngathi ngililoja.
Amawuzithi.
No lieutenant bro.
Amawuzithi ngililoja nje.
Awurendi.
Azabantwana abancane yibo abalengqondo ezifiliyo. Ubuya kubuza. Sabantwana abancane ba honest okubhowaje. So nginile loja.
Naye bambuza omnye umntwana nsenambia. Nawuhla ugqoka itekile leli yi1. Ngathi eish.
Abantwana bayisimo nje.
Ngathi damn.
Bese abantwana bakuyangisa noma sokudliwa lapha. Xa usutshona usuzokudla lapha. Kanti uprice akadli ngibo.
Lina ngabantwana zalike liyangisa. Mina phela ngangayangisa.
I'm sure lama stinkers ami.
Mina lali stinker lami liyi1 umasala athanda ukuthi ikhulume ethi ngalikhuluma ehlekeze ekhale la umasala.
Osithi.
Very very obvious. I think afuthi abangase ngomntwana. Abancane ngomntwana. So grateful umntwana.
Umntwana
Ngathi grade 4 lapha. Grade 4 I think. Akuzinzibili sokuqalela ukuthutsha lapha. Yebo.
Praise up means in grade 4.
What the fuck, man?
Azafundi story sami.
Awujisikethise. Awujisikethise.
Wena zafuma ugrade 1.
Dude ngiyakwazi.
Form 1.
Yazi ukuthi ngangekho grade 4.
Not as the last number. Phela ungakhohlwa futhi emergency. Phela kulesikhathi abantu se primary amajita ekuhleka khona ngawungelazo. Oh mina ngabe primary fucked up. Ngoba amajita engile etoilet etshengisana.
Ukuthi nasengile lokhu.
Manje wena nxa ungakhechi up lapha. So hayi ayisikuthi ngasengilale ziyana phela zomuntu omdala. Esezijoin yabona real estate yana.
Don't explain.
You see that real estate between the balls and the anus. I believe the kids call it the taint. Once ukutaint lapha. So umuntu omdala. Mina ngaloku kuyi-tuft. Kuyi-tuft of hair. So sembuza uMasala lapha. Amasala kuyini lokho? Umasala nje uthi into zabantu abadala lesi. Uthi yini?
Zinzinza.
Wantshela uMasala.
Watsho njalo uMasala.
Hayi kanti wayekufuna ethini wantshela. Yabo, sweet. Manje mina nganoke ngifascinated 2-3 days goes by lokho ngifuna ngicheck ngivula ngicheck. Kulama visitor ndotethe.
No.
Live. My mother can testify the story, even my father. Olama visited days ngandihleze esofeni. Ngabe ngizwakala ngiyiwadi ndoda yazi lakhona ukukhuluma uzithu uyiwadi. Ngathi nokuzinzinza lokho ngiyakugela. Real talk, bro. Real talk, dog. I think it was at that moment my mother realized that we might not have a normal boy here. There's something. But it's a true story. Not in Lamanga. Next time, see the church umbus.
That's a booze.
Talia Fagas.
Yeah, please.
It was an iconic stinker, man. But engutsepo yake yathi isihlezi futhi. Tsepo ngumntwana wethanda kumunye umuntu. La futhi asihlezi kulabadala sikwele TV. I think it was advertise movie ngce yabona movie yabo Van Damme what ku TV yena waseyikhumbule enye movie bayathanda ukuyibukela ayilenye favorite singer out of nowhere ndoda engutsebo yabona ukuthi kiss my ass. Out of nowhere, dog. Just like that, it came out of nowhere.
But mina ngikhumbula nsiba la mastinka like ngikids dog. Iwapi?
Akho inqa ubhudo komdala ngiyabe ekhumbula.
Mina ngikhumbula ukuthi sake sahlala lo munye like umzala ngathi mana ngithi mzala ngangiqami like nge right lokuze nini because kuzahle kubanje ukuthi manje.
Ngithi ngoba.
But I remember wayela magazine empona. Oh. So zabona amagazine mina ngayibona ngathi yabona nxa uboys ke lokhu snooper nje uchayizane la shit ngibona ngathi ngiseyidinga after some months ngayithola ngiyeko ngazithulela sithe sesikhulile lebhujas like maybe about 3 years ago 4 years ago I don't know owenye magazine ibhujas lithi ndoja la ngihamba ngayidinga ngayithola singasekho. Ngayidinga ngayithola singasekho.
Le station siyiwani.
Station siyiwani kanye sasihamba sisiyabukela zonke lebhutasi lapha.
Ondimba. Awufuna ukudlula la kancane.
Sicela amanzi okunatha. Awuthupho nguvuma pha. But yeah, otherwise, Lisu got to chance.
Mina bengicabanga yami istinka.
Wenzani wena?
Bro, yabona like as boys like when you're discovering ukuthi singabafana these things happen yabona.
Unqantsha.
That's the thing. Yabona. So like
We don't talk about these things. Like ezinye izinto amajita asitshela vele.
like we discover from the older boys, yabo. So like the older boys basitshela isidantshe yabona thina sesingabadala sesilenzifti lani. Yabo. Kanti yakho ingani iwomile so ikuba umuntu omdala ke
iwomile so.
Oh, ikokuthiwa kunqantsha khona kodwa so nxa imile inje so nokuja kungenza ekuseni aswi.
But right ifana.
Later that day masali angezisa. Yabo. Innocent nje mina
Price.
Ngizawale ngane taking 10 for the rest.
Geza sesiphuze geza igwayi sesiphuze avele limele igwayi igeza ngoba linqantsile.
Oh mina sicheka.
Really?
Inkulumo zethu la uningane sihleli eceleni kubafundisi.
Umasali wafreeza so
namtamele sibiphijini.
amasali ayi-assassin esikhulu wafreeza so mina I thought vele ngikhuluma into vele right yabo waphambi ukuthula because wabona ukuthi lama I don't even know what
No,
I'm
what you're
Mm.
talking about.
saying.
Wathi ukuze ngobani nanguze ngobekezela ngali besithi yakhe inqantshile lo wala wathi thatha thula amfuna ubona idlala lapho futhi yezo ngabo lapho bese
Umasali azayele kuzenini wayismall ukuthi ngaphume ngidlala phandle. But ngathi ngiyacabanga ngakwani. Kwakuvelele kuthina I think ngashaya iwindi somewhere kwenye indlu. Sihlala phandle.
Hey look yala ngokunye ndoda. Hey. Chaya windy la next door.
Uzosebebese bezoqoqoda mfana ntambama ngini.
Wona usithi usilile. Usithi awabonanga.
Oliyana lene ukuthi baza kuthi bayakuthembisa ukushamba imbayi so. Alena ebuhlungu lene ukuthenjisa ukushala.
Nasasajikijela imoto idlula. Wona la futhi lo ngomnyama.
Sayijikijela. Wasisake sayishaya lokuze nini?
Into zoba
Shaya windi ndo.
into zoba umntwana wekasi sonesi.
But otherwise ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
boys and girls.
Laba phela lapho 200 sesimnyenye lesingananzeleli ngiyakutshela.
Ubani?
100.
100.
U200 man.
Vele sesimnyenyele actually by
But ukuthi amanye asika release. Usithi sokuza u200 sithi ifi release we.
Avela amanye asezaba ama-exclusive bro.
Yeah, my
Yeah, of
episode.
course.
Vela abantu besubscribe nabo.
I-content irekhodiwe dog. Even lana le nto yona ikhokhe andisibonga ukuthi mana sirecord i-episode.
Njengalana amanye anguthula wana. Ana mele be ama exclusive ama episode la.
Ulama episode nje achisayo nje. Achisa bro lana vele yo.
Lana episode there kulenye episode where I think we have the longest laugh we've ever done. We has 3 minutes abantu behleka like wakhuluma isi story nje ke si messed up nje. Waba lenye comment. Waba le 3 minutes azama ukuma ukuthi wona siqhubeke nani. Kwaqalisa yi1 futhi. Waba yenye minute ukuthi check.
But I think siyakwanisa ukuqhubeka ngelokuzeni ngiyambuzo yethu. Since thina siyilokuzeni. See podcast yama question of the day. So questions of the day. Is emotional cheating worse than physical cheating? Indasiqalise ni establish ukuthi emotional cheating yipi. I-physical siyayazi vele. But i-emotional
Kuba umuntu abafazi bakwenzela yi2 one time. Umfazi once esecheat physically very emotionally bekucheatele be.
but kunje so with guys they cheat physically then it becomes emotional. With girls they cheat emotionally then it becomes physical.
What's
Because
emotional
like
cheating?
when
What's emotional
Ndoda
cheating?
ukuthi umuntu athi ukanga naye ubusumthanda futhi ubusufuna ukunireplace ngaye. Akazi ama-gents check. Ama-gents vele akwanisa ukuzichithela lokho yana ukuthi ubuziflowela la ulama-gents kuyi-weekend. Wachayisa lesinye wafunda la so emba hayi. Ayikho nefusi. JZ Moyo. Manje JZ Moyo lapha uteacher we-Greek wayejala kulova yabo. So lalijala kungani liyabamba amaveli. Selichayisa selibadala kathi wena wafa alijumane khona aso umuntu okuthiwa ngivele uyabombona le conversation ayiflow labo vongu thikho kuyisquarity kokudala, you know, stuff like that.
So labo tshela bakwenze ngono.
Ocheri she has to have a little bit of some emotional attachment kumele ubumchazile. Awuzakuze kuthiwa like guys are attracted to what they see, girls are attracted to what they hear.
You know.
So
no,
engayizwa into yangikhona simchazile sengente
indaba le yokuthi usually athola ukuthi uchomi uyakwanisa ucheater ka4 then uCherry bese cheater ka1 inkabi izibophele
And to feel the thought,
ngoba
Yeah, the thought is just
I
crazy.
usually cheater bacheater emotionally buhlungu madoda ngingazi maybe I'm being sexist by saying these things.
emotionally nange like when a president masingathi ucheat emotionally wenzani open up komunye umuntu ongasitshero wakho.
Nto uthi bese ngichaza uCherry khona after a bad day semfuna ukukhuluma la semfonela yena ngisafonela wena.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
crazy.
Yeah, lokana kodakho lokya. Nxa mfelo ngikhaya nguye ngimfunayo uthi bese mfeni not wena. Yabo? That one is crazy.
kule nye ngayibona on a real I think ingachasisela umgcini ngcono like kulomjida lo Cherry kuthiwa bonke babe bechithile so like umjida engaconfront uCherry yathi I don't care whether you loved him but do you fuck him uCherry yena the flip side twice I don't care whether you fucked her but do you love her
Namuhla ngathi awuzwakali ngamabhenga mfana we are off to a flying start.
Ngitshela ukuthi bese sizoqala ngama
He's
flying
cooking,
colors.
he's cooking uBryce. Ule married. He should be a marriage counselor this guy. Into zoku DJ this.
Achiyane lakho.
Kanu ku wrong industry put us.
But it's true dog. Mna hey, I think kahle kahle wonke factor afana. But thina majida vele ukuthi sihlala si experience ibuhlungu ukuchithelwa ngoba uCherry yabe ukuchithele emotionally. I'm not saying physical cheating ayikho buhlungu, but amachita akwenzela physical cheating ahambe ethenga kuphela. Amachita athi ese strip club ethenga iphunda. Uyabona lokho
That one is physical.
that's just physical cheating. Yabo kwazi cheke lo Cherry khona ngamthanda ngamatsa usezimdingela kusasa.
No, but it's more. Ay machens. Into le I think iyafanana le.
Hayi konke wonke, hayi wonke
Yeah,
lokho
but
but
kufanele
ngicini nje kuba kwasi lwana umuntu usemthanda. Phela azi nje umuntu ngayise kuchithele lo muntu amthandayo. Even nxa usumconfronta she might not be willing to work it out with you. Yabona well sombambile. Ebese kuqhubeka ubone se
Yeah.
Wena sokwaba
emotionally is
umuntu like
crazy.
ukuchithela.
waqeda abo break up la. Unamfuna ukunxena.
Basala kungwebhare bro.
Baranza iboys lapha.
Awusufuna ukuxolisa and yabo usufuna ukuxolisa.
Ukuthi what did I do? Baranza kudala nje. Kudala. Baranza iboys lapha. But you can't catch me slipping no more.
Yeah.
Hardened
This is
by
what Jana
steel.
is. Do you guys talk lama lokuzenini like lama exes?
Qala uphendule wena. Qala niphendule ngigejele into iphendula nje.
Hayi mina imembuzi le. Yakhuluma lama ex akho dog.
I don't have full-fledged conversations labo it's that
But
thing
you're
ukuthi
civil.
engangikhulumisa
Ku amicable.
yes akuhambi ngala asibuzani izinto zokuthi hey uma salunjani umcinenini ngiyambona hayi usharp right okay I saw this okay sharp all right okay sharp sizabonana
Kusive lokho indaba.
yeah yabona because okunye kaso siya ngokuthi enye break up yeni yaphela njani mina ukuthi I don't like creating enemies even suyi ex yami mina yakuyala ivini undithanda yabo for the sake of my mental health so sometimes ngiyakwazi I know umuntu lo ngiyamthanda because the moment you admit it's easier to get over that person because into engizima ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi get over that person is when you're in dialogue sometimes vela ntwana njidana sometimes
Abana
Yabe
mawuzondile lapha nekukule inkinga khona lapha.
Nabana bana.
Ikukule danger khona.
Ulaka lomjolo lobuhlungu. Azikathi abantu besenza naso ke. Why can't we all just get along?
How trick. I mean I think you amicable dog. Again, mina manje I don't think ngawa lama break up lana messy lana uthwa like sathethisana. Lo muntu oyiwani mina embone ngene kuma exes zama ongancanywayo. Because yimi engathi asafuni.
Awuzaphendula.
Yabo. She's married now dog.
Ingce kakho happy. Ngiyazidlalela.
Yabo but ngiyelwana nona I can
Because
confirm
doc, you know,
ukuthi,
part of what helps you get over exes. Excuse-moi. Is genuinely moving on.
Yeah.
By moving on, I don't mean finding someone else. Like I know what phela umuntu sengamove on ikusasa, but inhliziyo yena makamove on. Jake once you move on, look until inhliziyo isihleli somewhere else. It's easy to look back on those scenarios and be like, yeah, that was fucked up, but I don't feel emotional about it either way. It's not just a story, or it's not just a lesson. This is why we can sit here and talk about the breakups we've had. Because labana we also move on. Labanda umntu sithi sanga move on. But yabona ukuthi what you mean is you are just now sleeping with someone else, but you're still sour about what happened in that situation. Maybe you still feel like you didn't get your pound of flesh. You know, you feel like if you still feel like yeah, you're not over it, dog.
Yeah.
You're not over it. When I look at it objectively, but I see ukuthi ngiyawucabanga sengingapha futhi sengi.
But I think when you is small, I want any danger dog ngokukhuluma lapho. I feel like ma liloki lisakhuluma. Move on inzima dog. Because one, ukukhuluma lokhana elikwenzayo le-ex yakho on a daily basis. You guys lizama ukuthi kule chance ukuthi libele lana. But akulofu ukuconfront omunye ngakho like lisa you're just playing the long game yabo ukuthi hayi. My ihlale seduze yabo la ngiyakwanisa. Uyabona ifeeling leyo ukuthi uhlale ukwazi ukuthi ule backup. Whether usuku relationship enja or ulabanye abantu like oxoxa lawo.
It's more ukukhuluma on a daily basis.
Yes, I was about to say that. Daily basis, that's where the problem starts. You need to talk like normal people. Yabona kulabanye abantu ongakhulumi labo.
Ufunda la esigela or something. Once in a blue moon. Ungabona i-birthday i-RIP la nxa eposta ama inkwilimba lapha le picture kama Chris. La uthi you know.
Hayi daily vele yilokuze nini ilupho.
Mina also do you know now that you're saying this I've realized ukuthi mina ama exes ami engixoxa lawo. I see ukuthi siloke sixoxa since break up. Like ngoba le break up ngoba le 2 years 3 years not a single word. And then ngoba le nyilanga esahlanganiswa either Facebook or that. So after that 2-3 year gap ngawusu afatshe kushap akusekho lokho. Nxa ukuthi even since the break up lokho detachwanga. Nama exif nawe. Nama ex.
Qhubeka.
Nama exif nokuthi wahlala 8 years singakhulumisana. Not even a single word. And then 8 years later la umuntu khona wase2 chatile. Check yazi someone network introduced me to a podcast and I used to tell this you know it's so funny and then it just becomes on that platform. Otherwise manje nabantwana indoda nje school run khona yebo okay sharp
awunyeke ukubhenkana ngabona ngani libombe limele ukudubuka nje lela.
Futhi ungaba ngumuntu nomana hle nginike elinye standard la. Ungazibona empilweni yakho ama ex akho konke ngabuyi later to check on you. Awukhuphuki lawe nja. You are stagnant, you're not going anywhere. Because the laws of the universe dictate that as long as you get better every year, they are going to come back. Some of them bazozama ukuvusa ezacha kudala uzaba dima washange Heisman. What? And then some of them are just coming back to at least to be cordial and to you know that guy is doing well. Yeah, we used to. Enye
yati exes come back sometimes to check if you're still stupid.
True. Hey, because I feel like ngiyake see like we are human beings, bro. Like kwamanye instances wakuzithola maybe cabanga sivini lokubelelana lo muntu angkhona sisixoxa sivile on a daily basis futhi
nangu sama daily
but
where's exposure
yawazi ingqondo zibuya nga ingqondo zibuya ungakhumbuli like yini reason why la
yazi enye into futhi I think ngiyakuzwa ukuthi maybe we're talking on two different planes because I think nxa usakhuluma nge-ex maybe 1.5 years ago I can get it. Kodwa vele ngasikhuluma so much ngikhwaba ekhanda ngicabanga nge-ex ka-2013. 2013 was 12 years ago. Vele mnandi. Umuntu yakhona uyathola ukuthi sesile isikhathi ngicela sile 2 years sixoxa maybe once every 2 weeks. But vele akazi ukuthi iqhwiye ekhanda lami sesingabuyelelana la vele akazi ukuthi iqhwiye.
Ukuthi ama relationship akho ngwathatha serious.
It's true. I'm a lover not a fighter.
Mr. Johnson.
I remember my first days. Ngisaqalisa ukuba mazi bro ayiku relationship dog abe ngangiqasa ukubona umuntu ku relationship ayithatha serious like that. Mayachatanga.
2018 aba?
Ishama photo shoot dog.
Uthini nempilo zethu nabanye right?
I
athi
know.
uyaxika
Lethanda differently. Thanda differently.
mina igiya lehlale ku-5
How do you do it, bro?
ndoda into le ngathi i-best example engayinika umgcini ngathi umgcini nje sokwaye kuthiwa ngaphi ngathi
Gold Reef.
asiyayidiya
Gold Reef City.
Gold
My
Reef lapha uyabhatalela ukugadaleyo ukuthi ingeke kuthiwa yi-what shong dragon i-shong dragon uyigadile lapha uyakwasiza phela but ngingakombana isikuthi inhle mbwakale ngithi
Izaphela.
uncedani ukugada vele
Yona
ngoba
izaphela.
kuzaphela ndoda ngawuzayigada injo yikhomba ngayiphela senziyabhadalela enye le kuthiwa kuyini le i-spitting fountain la ku-spitting fountain ngiyangena
Same thing.
you know what I'm saying
I feel like impilo vele ungayingena njalo dog.
awuza kube le ex yokuthi yayibona simove on uzubuhlungu from umjida amove on la uthi amjida lo ngendlela yena lo uzahawula lo
Angikaze mina.
uzuzwela umjida because yabukwazi ukuthi hayi umuntu lo alaye lo akafuni umuntu owiki
And I think okunye kuphela ngiyabe ngunanzelela ukuthi after some time umuntu wangikhona wazinto like enye into chera wakugudu ngayo ndoda. Abantu like yakwanisa ukuthi so lina mali imbona so like limbone sharp like limbone perfect engasimuntu onga but izinto azenzayo dog. Enangikhulume ngokucheata kuphela dog. Emotional abuse dog.
inrayi nje
Like as umuntu selfish bro. Like and ezinye izinto ezenza amajita chaya phansi phela zona lezi.
nona ngicabula even nje ochero ngela consistency ngedimina yakhe yazi lo munye umuntu othi uyavuka ekseni yazi mina cheki mina kungaze kuthiwe ngikhaya alright kusuku ekseni basuke benithethisile bathi hey beke ntonke bangenza mina ikuli stepsani lapha ikuyihlo wafa kumbe kutheni ansoze mbuye ngitake that shit out on amajita ukuthi la nize lizibuza khathi uprison namhla kutheni you know what I'm saying and sometimes you can be in a relationship with umuntu onjalo ukuthi yibo manje abantu ukuthi aba-emotionally abusive bona lapho umuntu wakhona has a horrible day
Amantram angikhona so
they don't tell you they had a horrible day sebuya nje ejikisile wena suqede lapho uthi khathi sesingani sesikhuthana sithi khonapha I had a shit day yeah but I was not privy to that information you know abantu abanjalo bavuma abantu abahlanya mina dog I have a question Wena, how many of your exes do you think tell people, oh, I used to date that guy?
bonke.
Now, you see, that's also a marker ukuthi ublind nje meme.
Standard awufaka.
Ngoba ungabona umuntu efihla ukuthi uyi-ex yakho.
Wajola lawa.
Uthi to say, of course kulabanye umuntu yabesethethe impinga yakhe lemali akafuni ukuthi ekhanye ukuthi wagijima lama city boys.
I don't have exes, I've got Ys. Like, why the hell did I date you?
What was I doing there?
Lama wise.
But I'm very ngilombuzo. Going back to indaba emotional cheating and you know. Yeah. Do you think someone can fake it until they get married such that when what you believe is umuntu lo unje and then all of a sudden after you put the ring on the finger
Phela ukhuluma abafazi, phela ukhuluma ngathi ukhuluma abafazi.
Alapha vele le episode yama boys le. Andi labo baba lama ladies episode.
Yazi
Yeah,
ukuthi
this is the boys
namhla
episode.
ukuthi silomnyama ukuthi ngani etafuleni sicenga ukuthi kulabafundisi inhlamba ayikhulumeki kuhle so namhla sizalincisha kancane inhlamba
Yeah.
but bengifuna ukuthi lapha noBhudima sithi physical cheating ukhuluma ngedogi but ayikhulumeki phezulu kulabadala la so ubusithi
umuntu
do
yakwanisa
you think
ukupretend.
umuntu enga-pretenda for the longest such that you guys end up getting married and then you only discover after marriage
I think
who that person really is?
I think that usually applies to women more because, and it's not because they are psychos or anything. It's usually because women marry for security. So when you're marrying for security, sometimes
Dog. I mean, I don't think isingaze sifike ku point
A marriage.
marriage. So to some extent abantu abakhalayo uma marriages abo angacharge obviously. Ngibisazo charge nami ngikhale nje ngawo. Ngiyawasola to some extent ukuthi bro kule saying yakhuluma mbani Dwaflela nelelo kuze nini? Elika Game of Thrones.
Tyrion Lannister.
Wathi she never fooled you. You knew exactly who she was. But you
But you
loved
turned
her
a blind
anyway.
eye.
Yeah.
Dog. Uyabubona ndoda. Like kulamanye ama red flags dodo wabona ndoda. Yabona ignore. Because I think okunye futhi okwenza ignore ukuthi ekhanda lakho uzozitshela ukuthi
I can live with this.
this is my wife.
I guess.
Yabo. Then also so entertain uthi maybe enxenye zatshintsha. The next thing usuzibona sishadile. But iziphi izinto umuntu abe pretender wazinanzelela.
Ndoda.
But you know one thing, ama-gents kahle izikhathi eziningi you don't marry for love. Cause awuzakube le point ilana usesengumjito sithi ungabona uchero sharp ozigcine sharp yonke into yakhe iproper like nice proper late uthi mina ungambona ngena lapha nyahle ngichume. Awumazi umuntu lwana lena akakwazi but ngendlela yena aziphatha ngayo one wena in your mind you have decided ukuthi njani umuntu oyiswi because wena you want iqueen umfazi lawo ukuthi nxa usebantwini laba bazathi ya laphana unomfazi and umuntu ozakwenza lawo isithunzi sakho siqanse even A1 wena ungekho yabona
vele linelifuna abafazi abanjani Crenshaw aza sikaze sibuzana imibuzo like mase ukuthiwa usufuna uku breeze
I'm not saying lie. And lo engilive ngingimfuna.
ama qualities like ama qualities so like mawuzo sithi sengiswila.
But I think to some extent we all have a certain number of general qualities that every nigga wants from a man.
Ngiwe mfuna swakhulu
Wama respect, wama submission.
Submission in terms of
Iloko zenini? Walls of Jericho. We crossface.
Hey, crossface is crazy. Crossface is crazy.
So try crossface madam.
STFU
So cha STFU.
Hayi.
Akulotshani la siyasotha siqedwe kurecord. Awukufile ndoda. Ngeyilahla lapha. Ma utshele izinto mina uzenze ngawukhula. Hle utshele. Ukuthi Walls of Jericho. I-crossface, i-STFU, le crossface kuyafanana. Le waterboarding. Le waterboarding ngobhudo wakho mina omnawo. We understand waterboarding.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think you want to have, respect.
Into ezinjalo.
Umuntu okhayini nje. Like akula muntu ofuna
Bese la umongizwa lo mzile khwaphe sithi thina ngasingazwisisani.
Yabo.
Akulandlela kababa.
Yakulandlela kababa la.
Yakwazi okunye bro, even going back to into yakho leyo uthi amanye ama sign yabo wabona kodwa ignore. Ama sign I think yabo wabona kodwa ignore, but not even yabo ignore. Maybe you don't have the foresight to see how they can be problems because ngalesa ku dating stage you can handle them. For example, ngasisa date mina iselo cherwana. Ngiyabe ngimbona she's not really accommodating of abangani bami. Kwenye isikhathi labeli weekend kuyi-weekend. Nanko amajida amakhona. Ngimbona ukuthi ngano
angafuni.
Wenzani but at that stage I don't mind because
because asihlali sonke futhi.
Akubona ikhonzile plus ngumgcini. But I don't have the foresight to realize that once we're married, that behavior is not going to be happening to my mother who comes to visit. I know ngasa date umasalamu akasuka akabuye ezochaya around endlini. So ngubona kusasemajideni hayi amajideni angilanda. But wait until it's happening to ukhulu wami ozovakatsha. Now it's a problem. And then you want to address it. So this Kati, in my current relationship, a big word that always goes back and forth is the wisdom, the foresight. You need to have wisdom with some things. Or to want, okay, this I can deal with. But maybe in Kulma too. What happens What happens if her family is involved, my family is involved? And that is when we are too selfish. Manje ngasola bangivo. Selfishness yabisisenzela into zangivo more than ezangini. Then it becomes amplified.
I feel like the whole dynamic of introducing family yakho to any family abangani bakho dog mina lokhana kunzima
it's not a one day process like into eyenzakala over a period of time yabona ayisikuthi okay right asambe yabona abangani bamlime stadium hayi like kulabanye abangani that are close to you that you see on a regular basis and abanye that you see occasionally and abanye that you see once in a while like it will kuzangena njalo labana be regular basis vele izaqala babone ababona occasionally uzababona ku occasion once in a while la uzababona once in a while but vele generally like umuntu ozamthatha nje mina I believe ukuthi kuyamele be ngumuntu accommodative to abantu that you value even yena engela ndaba labo nxa ebona ukuthi okay
important to him.
Yes. Uzabenza ba feel comfortable. Right, okay, nanka manzi nasi juice mina ngizabe ngingale. Yabo. Like submissiveness lana engacelwayo ukuthi like that's being submissive ukuthi okay.
I don't even think that's just being submissive. Just just being a very accommodating person. I brought up that specific example because that's a big one for me.
I mean that's a big one for me, bro.
That's a big one for me.
Because mina Jay ngiyabathanda abangani bami Jay bonke futhi okufanayo. And manje zithi abangani uBreeze wakwafaka inye caption wathi thina abanye saba lenhlanhla bro ama bros ethu amanyela amabele yabona.
uNkulunkulu wasinga ama bros ala ma boobs.
uNkulunkulu wasinga ama bros ala ma boobs bro. And bro ngabantu like those are my bros bro.
Yeah.
Like give abantu othi mangi down bed Jay like yabo
Go back to
and ngiyabathanda bonke dog and nxa
Pictures no eye contact.
no
Wena phuthi wena.
ayisiko konoko ayisiko konoko.
Hey.
But yabona ndoda into enjalo but I think into engisafa kiyo embone ngani ngiza suffer really like I think sengaba socially awkward manje sefona hayi ngisa record la into sengaba lokhu zenini dog sengaba lesimola ukuthi
Ngikutshone ebhundu yini mthetho.
ngicabanga ukuthi mebhenxe kule impact khonoko and dog yazi mawunga nathi
Ngisebonda lenyamazana bro.
no okunye futhi like mawunga nathi utshwala nokwanthatha isikhathi ukuthi izichomi zami zona lezi engilazo zakaresa zing accept for who I am like bakwazi ukuthi like yabo and I feel like kunzima ukuhamba kuma new spaces because first yamele ngicela explain why nginganathi because there is majority of abantu engizahlangana labo abaningi babe natha dog and yabona so situation ukuthi manje let's say alright umuntu wami sengintro like so mele ngeke outline labangani bakhe which soke kwenzakale ukuthi ngeke out like labantu engabaziyo into engabe ngithola nzima ngayo ukuthi that moment angikwazi like angeke ngiexpress fully because ngisaba ukuthi sengingaba too much osengingakhanya ngathi ngiyimbulo futhi abantu angani
Karuthini kana la middle ground la.
Isituation anothi ngingaba too much sawathola ila mawala ichomi lakho leli yaphapha leli
But you funny guy la.
but at the same time ungathula futhi uyimbulo
It's more. Yeah.
Yeah, one thing ngitshele mgcina whether you meet new people, old people, whatever, Jake, just be you. Mina Jake namawala, Jake. People need to know ukuthi price. Yeah. Namawala, bra, and that's me. And umele hlala ukwazi and ukuthi vini ukwazi yakule ethiza yakwazi yahlunjele price Jake laphana umuntu ezila yani.
Eziwala lapha.
Izolo ntheni kufona lapha. Ngize ngansi wathi wakaza kungathi iprice ku loudspeaker nabazali seyifaka vele mina ku loudspeaker ukwenzelani
angifaka ku loudspeaker umfakelani yabo but I think kunjalo nje
yeah you understand what like the part you say
uyabona like at the end of the day don't put too much effort on them on trying to put a good impression but just leave an impression. Yabo, then they'll decide whether it's good or bad, but it's you at the end of the day.
Because at the end of the day, it's funa comfortable, bro.
Exactly.
Hey, problem futhi ekhona majenzi ukuthi vele
Comfortable.
wonke umuntu kathesi going forward as long as ungakathathi wonke umuntu osuzamthatha uke waba le whole face.
Hayi siko bro.
Listen to me.
Akula.
Akusizakulalela bhatakula.
Look me in my eyes, boys.
Mina bro I choose.
Ngoba ngiyazi siyakhela njalo.
Mina ama
Choose to be
situation
dumb.
delusion ayazipanela. I wanna talk. Delusion iswi kwezinye indawo. Now abana talk kulezi imjolo futhi to be specific.
Yeah.
Je relationship ayimfuna umuntu ohlanganisa izinto. Connect ama-dots.
No.
Uba kunanzelela into ocherera abana abaphuza ukuthi mina phela mina angiphuza ukufind out. Abasetli bombiyana vele. Ukuthi find out.
Problem.
Akufunakala
Find out,
emjulweni.
Because it becomes a trait and you always find out.
That was dope.
Because you will always find out.
Yeah.
Yazi kuhamba njani nto. When you ukhuluma lo chiro wakho like on a daily basis, lifonelana like every day. Then this particular week or this particular day, akufonele. Mawuthanda ukuhlanganisa izinto,
Uzayihlanganisa uyitho.
uzayihlanganisa uthi bari vele iphatheni lena nani. But ungayekela umuntu ezichithela kahle dog.
Kuhlanganisa sokomjolo, kuhlanganisa kwenzeni.
Yabasito.
Ukuhlanganisa kwenzeni ingalirana ama-tuck shop, into ezinjalo, ama-club abomama.
Ngizamjolene dog ukabo dog.
Nalaya kuyala ukuthi wonke amajeri esizawathatha vele kuyaba le face.
Ngiyala mina.
Wonke amajeri, every single one of them.
I think it depends
Oya,
on when you
hayi,
meet them. bro.
lalela. I-whole yakhona might vary. Kuzaba lalana ama-whole face ukuthi umuntu wayebaby isquad sonke yabo. Also ama-whole face ukuthi like she did go through an era where it was unlike her, but she was seeing
But she
3
was
guys or
there
2
then.
guys at the same time. That was like her whole face. But they've all had it though.
Then bese usibala leyana e-high school ukuthi wayelamajita e7 ekwazi lo yangithengela i-break yangithengela i-lunch lo nyahamba la after school.
Hayi ukuthi ezinye izinto azidingi ukuthi like ucabange ngazo dog.
Kodwa abantu abafeba nje abantu emakhaya.
How?
Emakhaya ukuthi akulanto yokwenza. Madoda.
Feeling lapho.
Thina sithi
Madoda.
ngihlala nsizwa
Bakujwayelele ekhaya nje.
ngihlala nsizwa
Uthi
amajita.
nje sithi kuyisipela.
Hlala nsizwa amajita sithi umuntu kumele azithathele uchero ekhaya.
Mama. Ekhaya majensi akola wifi, akola TV, akola
I-physical bro.
awubalakho kuphela into leni ikhulela uBryce ngomntwana.
Wese kwela protection. Azatshele lo mama.
Hayi wasali bro.
Athi mama.
I mean, I know this firsthand, bro.
Akutheni mphinde.
Mina lokuzeni laba abantwana engangibazi che. Majensi. Basi abantwana abazali babo babebhubhile bachi umuzi yabo. Wawuzama umuzi wabehlula. Then kwaba ngani wathiwa then umnye inkazana wabebuya lo mngane wakhe abengena lapha wathi yena sewuvusa umuzi. True say. Ngaze ngafisa kube ngangikwazi ukuyakha lapho ukufaka i-door frame or something. Wafana wawuthi ngakwazi ukufaka i-window sill ophiyo. Kodwa wayakha indlu mntwana. Ekhaya.
Yeah.
Ngindanda.
Wayengazange uhamba wayaqabanga nje.
Azi indoda kube ngakwazi ukuthi ayifollow mazi request practice eningi phela la.
Lokho nje la.
But indaba yakho neqinisa i-trick ngoba labo baba abaningi abatholakala lapha. Ezindaba yakho ngayibamba njani one day sisesibayeni dihona. Sasidihona. Awudlule nje ngo2 zigijima so uzithwela intonga zingena iganga. Ngezi boys ethu esiqinga usithi sebesiyambamba. Ngathi wosalazo mfana. Umfana wampha kuleli indaba yekasi lonke ndoda ngadiscover ukuthi kuyafiwa lapha. Emakhave labantu intersections. Ogogo benlabe lithi basekhaya umuntu ugogo wamsekhaya yazilimela. Cha umyumfolo.
Thanda kabi lokuzeni.
But I think that's why there's a saying try induke enhle iganye lezizwe. Uyabe usiyagamula lapho ongakwazi istory sakho ukuthi sinjani.
So issue
I feel like iyo vile into eyenzakala at the end.
It's not ukuthi uyathola ngenzanga lutho. Uyathola ngamazinda basakhe.
And make sure ukuthi azikufinyeleli.
Azikutholi vele.
Manje kathesi thina ungawukhombela omongi babezazi indaba zakhe.
Bahle bakutshela sathi ngqini. Hlala phansi.
Hayi.
Akuthululele
Eqeda ukukhuza next month yalotshola umuntu inona nathi bekhuza ngayo.
Wena laba phela ngase bekutshela hey akulanto ebuhlungu nje ukuthi usibondi nah it's fine vele I'm not it wasn't that serious I was just hey
yabo kudenial
okuhobo kusenzana empinjeni kwelapha kufanele so bondi
inhliziyo mfana yabile stina mfana akulanto I feel like one of the worst moments bro like ukuthi maybe lo muntu interested kuye then sebebuya lama files yazi amajita sihlezi lama files
There is a meme engayibona actually. Bro, there is this girl I saw kuthiwa ngumbali. Remember qhubela ifile.
That's what.
Simoko mbali bahle imbali shale bekhecha ama.
But when what would you prefer? Ukuthi thola ifile or ungalidobi but ube happy mfana.
Ingalidobi ngibe happy.
Isimongo ungalidobi ube happy. Dawutshela ismo ngongalidobhu baby. Ukuthi sonke around sikwazi ukuthi
but ngiyabe ngihappy
Bese
mina
question
ngi-happy.
yakuyabuzwa nguRalph along those
Personally,
lines.
I'm happy.
Wakwathi uRalph wakwathi would you prefer ukuthi uchero wakho akuchithele ilizwe lonke libe kwazi ukuthi chithele kule sex tape or achithele amajita ay8 ungabi kwazi and you'll never find out.
shit
Awe 8 ungcono.
Majens
I
abona
wanna
wena.
focus man
Awe 8 ungcono.
this guy he's got his
Tape is
priorities
crazy, bro.
he's got his priorities
Tape is
in
next
order
level.
Madoda.
Tape.
Ete setyenza ka1 kuhle kube le tape.
Mana lapha
Tape is crazy,
lapha
bro.
lapha sisakhuluma hypothetically la. Sikhuluma isi human being.
Realistic.
It's
huh?
a-
At the end of the day uzabakwazi vele discover.
Hayi, but I think in this scenario, vele you will never find out.
Dog,
Because
you'll
we
find
ethi afana
out.
nalo wezizweni. Yabo.
Dog, you'll find out. bro.
Ah,
Hayi.
but it's rare.
It's rare.
It's rare, bro.
No, they are feeling find out.
Umthathe Cape Town umbise eZimbabwe
Majens.
ezizweni.
Manini mina ngilitshele mina ifana. Dog, uyabuza fine. And kubuhlungu ukuthi when us find out about it's too late because now happiness yakho vele isiningi kakhulu.
Kola ndaba kuthiwa there is a Greek philosopher called Seneca. He said, "The man who suffers before it is necessary suffers more than necessary." Leo stress ungakafind out channel la ngoba happy.
Yeah, ngoba
Lapho
No,
find
so
out-
vele stress before find out. Anti yabu happy. But in community stress is ukuthi usu find out about when you
Mina
decide.
ukuthi emergency happiness imnandi. Happiness imnandi kule knowledge yokuthi umfazi wami loyal to me. Mina ngicela kuba happy.
Ah,
But mina, on this conversation, I have a question. All right, also finding it out. Ubo happy, like ubo happy, ubo happy. Also finding it out.
you know, you find
What
it
she
out
do?
actually.
Fine.
As finding kilo kuze nini.
Emotional plus physical.
Sensebenzisi ilo
we're done,
example ka price.
What the fuck?
Yeah, much down allow 8.
Now we're done, bro.
People don't know, but also finding it out.
Now we're done, bro. Yeah, it is more on that.
Mana i8 yaziwa yimi. Kodwa i1 yaziwa
I8 lawa uyazi
8 lawa ubungayazi.
and you never find out.
i1
I1 sonke siyayazi le
Ile
video
tape,
siyibonile.
bro.
Elo Baltaza.
lami ngiyakwazi.
Madoda sibancane kakhulu.
I8,
Bakhona
I8.
abantu abangalama tape manje la. Angeke. Angeke nje uthi wena empilweni vele wena usu decide ukuthi haya sibancane.
But I remember omunye umjita ebuza omunye uchero wathi ngicela ukubuza wathi a woman's past doesn't matter. Wathi okay ngicela ukubuza if you find out ukuthi uguy olaye uRichard but in a few years in 5 years uzaba broke ungavuma ukuthi akuthathe wathi hi what is the same is the opposite and men and women are opposites and opposites attract. Right. When it comes to men, a woman's past matters, but a man's future matters to a woman. So in the sala emergency, if past chera is a matter kuwe, yabona, because you'll be thinking ukuthi uchera lo was now dominated by umhlaba wonke. Now you're next.
Alright,
sikhuluma ngabo benza i-rimming.
Imagine also find out ukuthi K Breeze is one of those 8 guys.
And then we're gonna have a problem.
Imagine. Also found out phela la.
You're gonna have a problem because
Sibondi-
you're my
abonke
guy.
ungakwazi,
You
bro.
decided to keep quiet.
Ah, bro.
And yazi Jay. Namhlanje isikhuluma lapha I feel like conversation lesenye isimnandi yares like simboni siyanga about this conversation. And isikhuluma into zamajita la.
Yeah.
Wena majita akhombisa uchero wakho yazi.
That's
Amajita akwaziyo futhi. And it's always an awkward position to
I can relate.
Hmm?
Nithi I can relate.
or mbone nganobone something. Like it's always an awkward position to be in as umjita knowing ukuthi K Breeze is hitting on my because firstly K Breeze le groot man like even la man khayela like mntamhlonipha yabona ta senza njani ngoba
yazi lokho yana vele jeke
Labe lingasobangane Jake because initially mina vele ucheri babangane bami ngobafo. Vele ngincamba even after Jake vele ngiyabe ngizibonela umjita.
Ngubulwana bro.
ya lokho yana vele sizaza ukukhuluma kaningi kuphot lokho yana okunye lokho yana jeke vele sokusiya ngebro code lingamajito. 1 2 vele ngalo chero muhle nxa iliyana ethanda kuthiwani madoda kuthiwa the man who dates who marries a beautiful woman and the one who plants his corn by the side of the road all suffer from the same problem. Vele uba lo mfazi omuhle
Somele
Somele
sijele labatshela
Ah,
abantu.
no.
hayi just ubekwazi ukuthi at some point doda uyakwazi yani into lengayikhuluma ngayikhuluma kulena I think ku-episode leni singakayirelease angathi wayazi nje wawuba lento lezi uzothiwa umuntu uthe ubuye vele emsebenzini wathola umfazi wakhe lobhuti wakhe lokhuyana ku-crazy
lokhuyana ku-tricky lo.
mina mbona ngingazi ngathi I think maybe relationship yakho ama-siblings akho yabe maybe a little shaky.
Yeah, be shaky.
And mina now I can put myself in those scenarios because my siblings now have wives.
And you
It
can't
blows my
you
fucking
can't picture
mind.
yourself.
But kwenzakala kule emakhaya ngikonje emakhaya uzokuthiwa ubani ugamula umfowabo ngoba uthola umfowabo or enye idiscover ukuthi abantwana abayithiwa sobaya kwabhudwayo ongumalayitsha. Hayi.
But I think this will also take us back to indaba leyana yokuthi you ignore ama red flag. Many a times bro la uyabukubona ukuthi kule certain trait ubhuti asalayo that can actually lead to that.
So ngiyenzeni
And
ngeke
you
ukuthatha.
ignore it. No, ungayekela ukuthatha but try and avoid
Ungajiya inyama yakho
putting
eceleni
utshero wakho in that
kabhujazi.
situation.
Madoda ngithini ngingumalayitsha.
But yazo
Aya.
Ngihambela imama.
okunye khathesi okusiya ngama-morals akho nje mina like when it comes to abafazi babobhuti ba man like when I'm talking about them man you would realize later ukuthi ngikhuluma umfazi kabhuti wami but initially you'll be thinking I'm talking about my sister. Hawu sisi wami nje uyabona usisi wami untaka sisi wami yabona like then it was
But mina
Ukuthi abanye abala mama.
sengikhuluma nge-situation e-practical manje. Sesiyazi uthe uyavumelana la. Izitshomo ezikwaziyo ukuthi lo utshelo wakho. Ezibuya zizokuhlekelela ndoda. Like mawukhuluma laba bekuhlekelela so but bakhombisa utshelo wakho.
Nanza kutshela olunye.
Olukhombisa utshelo wakho.
Babe.
You see?
But there's a difference between guys that you talk to and your friends.
Yeah, lana.
Your friends will protect you, bra. But ungambona umjida wakho eselanda uchero wakho vele hayi vele one you were never friends. You were his friend. You're not their friend.
I feel like kuma bro codes and anginye naleyo like engi faka top there bro. Chero wami ukwazi ndoda.
And abasikhuluma uchero wakho la.
Chero wami okay no.
Cause mgcini mina uchero wakho mina ngingambone lo munye umuntu wena ungekho mbone be uncompromising position yafika ngihlala etafuleni. Yabo cause initially vele lo ngubafu phela lo wena ngubani
wenzani
yabona
bakushaya ke price
Jake ukusha umuntu kunzima Jake
ngabuya uthi yakho sibhejebe ngaba su19
ngapha sekutshayele lo mfazi ngapha le job lakho lile ndunduma balishaye ngempama
baby mobola lonke khona
but into emnandi yabe sofakile isignature yokuthi uprice bamchayile echayelwana be protect stuff sami yabo ngithi asibuyele futhi lihle livalekile
senjawo sajera kwenzakala kodwa nsa kubo 1920 lapha hayi hatsi no this girl must get out of this car he's doing bro this is my brother's girl bro eyabizithola uchere kabhuda roller lathi
kunzima but linanzelele majensi like linanzelele because
namuhle kuseni
into lezi zenzakala lezi
namuhle kuseni before ngiphuma kuyo uNyumasalo lafana akade zothenga imbhida obe ngimkhela imbhida lafana eqoka lami sithi manje wathola enye section yombhida kade nganisichile yabo sithi kanti manje imbhida lapha susekelo sitsha njani akazi Masalo kunengi yazi these days siyangandela into zami zinengi kodwa usakhala ukuthi into zinengi akathathi mfana wami awayathatha khona ke phela ngathi into umbona ngikhona lapha ngifika izolo endlini ngo10 ebusuku ngalala ngama-half 1 nisenze okunye kade esikhona lapha vele ngiqeda ukuthi semphuma senziyenza okunye futhi isikhathi sakhona sikho wabe sithi manje wena ngawukhala ungangabi lo mfazi so mfana wami usenkingeni and mina ngani ngiyakubona ngami personal ukuthi unless but yabona ukuthi umuntu engithandana naye ngumuntu obusy so we try to find time for each other when we can but maybe
this is more I feel like I'm in the same situation but bro I think into engisabisa kakhulu ngokusettle down
Ukukhutha ama-hoes.
No, like yabona ukuba myself 100%. Ngipha ama-chance leyazi ihappiness ebakhona uma singamajija kuphela. Eish. Yabona yabona that level of comfort, please, like masixoxa sikhuluma whatever sikukhuluma.
Omunye ukudescribe wathi i-happiness yamajita is achieving 100% success with 5% effort.
Right.
Press something there.
Right.
Yabona lena dog.
That's a good one. Now you're on fire today.
And yabona ismo dog. To be honest, angeke ube comfortable like that.
Yeah, 100%.
Angeke ube comfortable like that labo tshela.
I never feel like kwenye isikhathi utshela bakuzwisisi. But ukuthi kuthaso ngana usafaki effort, I guess. But icheki yazi thina, fuck man.
Like Jake thina siyakhuluma anything uzinsikhathi Jake kulabo chere lapha
No
Jake.
plus akunye kuyizimo kanti ukuthi into zangona ziyabe zi-incriminating sometimes.
Ezinye i-problem.
Yabona lo kanti ufuna uxoxela uChirok story, but there's that part where you you was cheating, bro.
Hayi mina mvumelani lawe lapho mgcini.
No, alaba ngirepresent abanye abantu la.
Emotionally or physically.
Stories zakho phela ngakule party lanika abanye cherry lift. So kumele useqe manje. Kumele uyeqe party yala.
Yabona iphathi lele yenza stories sibe mnandi.
So kumele uthi ngabo cousin baka Bryce manje.
But it reminds me of this video
Crazy,
on TikTok.
bro.
I think it was yesterday. So this guy was saying, "Ocheri bale system yokuthi babizana maybe 4-1. But you're right, guys, as keeping ama $40. Siyangaphi siye cotton. Ifika laphana bakwazi bathenga lokhu. But try out new things, bro. But amachita che,
Don't
one year
do
two.
that.
Bro, ngilomkoto lapha. Isitshwala $1 for 2 covered.
Mina sengisathela ifuel.
Nazo umjidalwane bekhulumelana. Ukhuluma ukuthi amajita asizazi into ezinice. Because hlala sile cheaper option.
Exactly.
Like
I don't think it's a cheaper option. It's always an easy option that 5%
Practical.
that makes 100%.
Hey, lapho ubudele no
5%,
5% effort 100%
The
success.
5% rule.
Hey.
Lapho uchayile.
because I feel like with Tina Machita, location ayilanda. You can have the best time.
Best
Khangela ka
experience in it.
resiselo kuzeni.
Thina phela sikhona abavele kube kade
Sisekhothoni.
beers la or something. Umbe lapho
Yeah,
beers.
Ewele cooler box.
Siyaziflowela nje.
But I want this is xoxela like into
Engine
issue.
sharp.
Yabo so mina okusekla down and kungethusa in that sense ukuthi will I be comfortable?
Alright, dingi tomboy alright.
But I think this is where indaba compatibility and marrying your best friend comes in. Because what's the point of marrying someone that you don't feel comfortable around?
Yeah.
What's the point of being with someone you don't want to be yourself when you're around? So I think give yourself time to know the person.
Yeah,
Give yourself
but
time to
weird.
see if you guys are compatible. If you guys are
I
best
problem
friends.
with you give your time self time.
I'm sure Ojola lale.
Awuthola lo breeze.
Awuthwele nzima mfana.
Ngani?
Akukho safe.
Thwele nzima.
Athi ngine mbeyisi.
Awuthola lo breeze.
Uprezi nje yazi yabuthwele. Akafuni chero o strict kakhulu ngento zokuthi like ufuna sihlale senze into ezimature.
Yeah.
Like asingeke sijoke dog.
Hayi.
Yakwazi okunye kuyini
Ngiyavuma ngomntwana. Yazi-
Ngendlela anyangayo nxa lapha bro.
No, dog okunye yazi mina lami nginjalo nje. Mina nje ngifuna ngifuna ukuba iziyelele last number phambi kwakho nje.
Exactly.
Like that's
That
like,
works, bro.
That's
Because
the
mina
ultimate
ngithi
goal.
Phambi kwakho bro.
yakhuluma indaba leni
that's
yamawala
the
le.
ultimate goal. That's it. That's the ultimate goal, bro.
Yabona even the cherry check vele kumele abe kwazi ukuthi njani ukuthi even ngaze ngithole sekuno breeze I say whatever I want to say it doesn't shock yahle vele lo kanje vele uyahlanya. You must be able to hlanya lo cherry wakho laphana uwumane ube comfortable ukuthi like ungasuka ku breeze yoku cherry wakho you can still flow akonto sufika ngaso mecocobisa.
Hey, all this kind of chere sithi hey, you're making me your bro too much. You must still remember I'm your girlfriend.
That's great.
Ngithi manje wena uzwisisa ukuthi abantu engibathanda the most
That's-
empilweni yami are my bros. So wena ngase ngikuthina njengo bro wami nje ngiyazi ilove yakho nisiko level lento uthiwa wena vele usungiwangikhaya.
Abanga understand ukuthi
Anithuzanga
sometimes
camera la.
that's be hayi
Siswe. Okay.
abanye nga-understandiyo ukuthi lathi we also play the part of their friends kwezinye isikhathi iyabuya phele lesinye story umlaleli
Bro.
anyeye ubuze ama-details ubuyele emuva but then
ngezwa ngikhaya.
nxa sokuyi-flip side and you're making me a bro
Ngizembazi lamabizo. Vela sidinga ukukhuluma siyabanika lamabizo futhi.
Uthi ubani uGiro? uGiro seyenzeni futhi?
nahle ngizwe baby le story
sokuchile
Akunye ayikho ikwayile mandatory. I
I
feel like ikwa ile elisenza futhi ibond yethu ibe noma on a bad day bro. On a bad
Sikhohlwe
day.
kwethu.
Ngike ngithushe ngendaba.
sokuchile
Ngike ngithi phela uzibani. Ngikutshile.
Mina yami litmus test yokuthi umjolo wethu ungahamba kuhle sharp.
Ah.
Kumele kuyetshona lami lo Rico Rotsepo. Yi-litmus test yami ukuthi if you can put up with us.
Mina manje I feel like with me if anganthola ngilawo lo raw like the whole day.
Tshone la sibili. Engasaye sithi ebe happy like everybody she's genuinely enjoying.
And love being my 100% self.
Aminkabi sami ziyi-litmus test lesiya ngoba lesiyana lazo ziyazipengela njengayo.
How about tricky la?
Thina phela siyaspenda
kumele phume i-blue black
thina siyaspenda 30 minutes ani. Ingce umnyabe hlezi lapha. Wale nyi day uthi ngadopha igwadla ngazama ukuthi iphosela ku pocket kaMjida la. Ngakhutha. Wathi kwaphuma amadola kwabhejwa. Ike sakwenza for like the next 40 minutes. Uthi manje uzahlohla igwadla epoketini.
Epoketini. Yeah, umuntu nje kumele that's the ultimate goal. I feel like Mackenzie kwesikufuna but sesinga minutes just before
1 hour.
Not even my relationship, not umjolo. These days amasebenza nomjolo.
Mina ukuthi ngicabanga
amashamari.
Mina I feel like into engicabanga ngayo almost every day bro like you settle down. So kuthiwa senginomfazi sibili oyi-1. Not ukuthi kare singithi ngile 10 no. Like
Uyakhuluma kodwa ukhuluma mina.
But now you're halfway there, dog. Usulomkhaba lempabanga kushoda nini?
Imali dog.
You actually take 3/4
But
there.
it's a signature bro.
Mara informal uyayinara. Kumele ngathi shayi black isisabathini. You are ready to settle down, but that's half of the job.
When I get rasta siyathi why?
Omunye wake wathi yana ready is not a decision, it's a choice.
Yeah. Hayi man.
Actually, it's not a state, it's a choice.
Ukhulume kuhle kathesi.
Sengathi
Labona uqala. Ime lapho.
So yeah, I think you are only ready when you want to be ready.
Now, part of my question had been, do you guys think someone can truly be a hoe and then stop, switch? Like, can you fully get to a point where someone stops and decides to quit? Or ama tendencies ahlale khona? And ngikhulumela lamajita.
Yeah. I think I attach each gender to the whole term. But I remember seeing a video, bro. Mdala lana isi since it mdala so it's obvious ukuthi ayikhuluma ngayiphi gender but lava ngikhuluma ngawonke ama genders even them.
Ama they them?
All of them.
Ama Z.
Yabo. Why is it they are naturally born B-word. Ukuthi ungaze yabona dog kulomunye umuntu understand umuntu ofewa because ufuna imali akula kudla endlini so kumele wenze iplan yabo. Bro,
your livelihood.
You have everything bro. Konke ku right endlini. Awula reason yokuthi like but you find umuntu
ufuna uzitestela abantu kuphela. Ufuna ukubona umgcinetile ngifuna umtest.
I think okunye kule low self-esteem involved la.
Ukuthi
Umuntu othola dopamine nge-validation dog. Like ngiyawazi ukuthi uPrizo uzangipraise this week. But akupraise ngasoka ngihlale ngipraise every day.
Sengifuna ukuya komunye.
Yanga uPrizo ngani sesileka sensiya komgcina.
Vele bakhona abantu abasebenzisa excessive validation.
so wena uthi that person yes can change.
Kanjani?
umuntu angona uyakwanisa ukutshintsha from being a hoe to
akatshintshi dog. They kind of
They might just find sneakier ways of going about it or reduce, but what do you...
so vele a
madoda
person
lapha
can
likhuluma ngesagwe bana.
ngani. Just khuluma ngani.
Mbona uthi ngakhuluma ngesikhiwa kusoze kulende shawo.
Yazi nje kuprice. And mina ukuthi ngihlezi phambi kwakhe. Uyazi yabe njani?
Phela manje
change. Be serious,
Madoda.
Jack.
Sikhuluma ngani? Ezibalele mina I think impela ze last year. Ade ngalazi.
nangilazi.
Umtsheli bala dikhuluma.
Sagweba.
Ingwinisa kweba.
Sexual addiction.
Hayi kuthiwa ule.
Uleza kweba.
Ukhulumela iphezulu bona abadala bayalazi la. Abadala bahlezi laba bayalazi. Yilo joke like you
Usakweba.
ukuthi ulomkanje perpetual lona ongapheliyo.
And it's more dog. It's more ngama.
Consistent, bro.
No wallet.
Hayi ngibona nama notes ngikela.
Hayi wallet.
Hayi lokho ngibona nemali phela.
Iyo kanti uthini? What you saying bro?
I'm not supposed to dump any young.
Speti imali lapha nge Richard Jeans la. Abe isagweba. And mina into it's more ngezagweba dog.
Alright, chibala.
Ayikele sekuthina bayalazi bana lethi.
It's more ngezagweba. Ukuthi but think Cherry baboni ngani si stupid. It's not Cherry. Cherry uya ligweba lonke lingu5. Ligweba lonke lingu5. Esijoti alikhuluma. Utasitshelani.
Thina njengathi obviously.
And dog uthina siyaba civil ngakho dog. Ukuthi aswi. Akuloza tshela omunye ukuthi bangasagwebi.
Keep it there, buddy. Keep it there.
Siyagwetshwa singu5. Nanzele sisixoxe ukuthi how. Daughter.
Evo.
So do you think umuntu njalo uyatshintsha?
Hayi yabona lokho vele lokho mina I feel like lokho especially sisebenzisa lesindebe lokho. Ngani kule spiritual connotation to it. Ngathi bathi vele uyabule. Manje ngiyabona umama lona oyethandazela eChurch out of spirit of what? Spirit of fornication.
Wenzeni?
Abamthandazela somfundisi evekuze sithi so. You see? Spirit of fornication, you see? Azayika diclip yakona.
Yeah.
Leyazi diclip yakhuluma ngayo.
So when do you think umuntu njalo uyatshintsha ta?
Ngala semajideni I don't think iyachange. Umuntu
And
akona
then nje, I'll prefer to be delusional and say, I think it depends.
So kusiya ngedetermination yomuntu le
Yeah.
ukuthi are they willing to
usengazama for a bit.
kunjengo like it's just like umuntu addicted to drugs. Sengachiya abuyele or achiye completely engafuni ukubuyela.
Yazi problem ngomuntu onjalo ukuthi once you hit a rough patch it's very easy
Awuyela
for them
dog.
to bounce back. Like even engafuni mentally she has a catalog of uthi lwana but you know. So now a problem abantu abanjalo songumsebenzi wakho to make sure you never
Uhlale right.
hit a rough patch and that's impossible dog. You
Impilo
will hit a
vela
rough patch.
isoke dog ihlale.
I think yazi majensi yikho uthola abantu njalo Will Smith besenza into ezijama open marriage. Uthola ukuthi ulokhu lesagweba. Thamba lofazi
Chata.
ujada lwana vele wahle wathi la uWill Smith wabona into okuzasixabanisa baby.
Ahlamvumile nje kawa.
Lami mvumela but uyabona ukuthi phakathi kwabo ohlale dane the most ngwane nguWill Smith
Nguyogwetshwayo.
Open marriage angeke wafika.
laba sengihlale straight so ngisaphuma ku frame phela mina ngimude bema
Bara kunzima.
As long as ungacorrectwanga.
But I feel like at some point, if you really want to change, you can change.
it's true and that's true with anything.
If you really
It's more
want
ukuthi
to change.
utshintshele phezulu kwami. Hey.
Hayi, like you don't need a person ozakutshintshisa. Iyakwanisa ukutshintsha ube uyi-one.
Personal choice yakho.
Then
I want.
into engakhulunywa nguBreeze about
Yeah,
moving
sharp,
on
yeah.
ukuthi you have to move on uyi-one before you include the next
Ungatshintshi because
person.
of mina.
Also,
But
Doc,
like kuba ireason yokuthi umuntu atshintshe is also a
That's
good thing.
fine, yeah.
Uzudinela phezu kwami.
No, not ukuthi yabe dinile phezu kwakho. Yabe bonile ukuthi check.
Le wiki le.
mina zimbonani into itsho price ukuthini. And I think if you make yourself a high value person, sometimes when you're a person of great worth and umuntu uyazibona
Uyabona
I
ukuthi,
can't fuck this
I
up.
can't do this. Yeah.
And that's making someone change for you.
Yeah.
But without saying, hayi angisakufuni mina lokhu umuntu angena endlini. But kulaba abantu vele aba okumdabu right ipoint le kulesikhathi ngihlala mfuna ukukhuluma ku podcast ezinye izinto empilweni futhi ngabozithatha personally. Some people it is actually in their nature to fuck up a good thing.
Yep.
And it has nothing to do with
And
you.
it's not like when you're ungayenzanga the right things.
Some people dog la umuntu akhona ungamhlalisa phansi ukuthi umbuze amsithi hayi check yazi lapha ngabhayiza don't know ngase ngene kwini. Kulabanye abantu bro lesi version esagweba but uyabulo kwakho vele ule mimoya yakho. There are some people who are so good at getting into good situations.
People that thrive in drama, then it ends badly.
And vele mina angazi ukuthi ngathi thrive nambona you have the ability to good things come to you. But you are
You never miss an opportunity to fuck up.
guaranteed.
Busy.
Guaranteed. Nakula majida amanye ngwazi kulo mchoma mfuthi engimazi from kudala safunda sonke from high school. To this day, you know, I also hadn't seen him in such a long time. I was convinced Uchoma Mswachinja. We made an essay for a bit.
I want to look at
Washa keep
Broke my
ama 10
heart.
rand ngale mtata.
Broke my heart. Broke my heart. Uchoma Uchomlo is just in his nature. It doesn't matter how well something is going. He's gonna find out how to fuck it up. It's like you have something going on. La una su decide to die. Mina what? Kunje sesinje so. Mina say kade sicabanga sinze iport sinje. Machance ithini mina bengigcine equipment. Kade ngithola abanye abafana emzilikazi abacela ukuyirenta $10 a day. Suddenly ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi Tuesday Wednesday ngidrop emzilikazi ngilande Thursday ekseni ngicollect $10 yami. Ngikwenze 4-5 equipment isifile into sezishort and then you guys find out like yo but there was no need to do that bro. For $10 futhi.
mina ingindani aliya majida soka ayincanye. Because I'm about to offend a lot of niggas here.
Sakuncedisa ubachaya.
Enye into engayithandiyo ngamajida. Umuntu ofebe ngala reason yokufeba.
Abanye bro
Kanti
bafebela ukuthi
kulesizathu
bona
lokho.
they think they look
Like
that nga.
And like I'm not saying ukufeba vele khona ku right or kulama
But kulokunye sisingakubona.
like kulama justified reasons ukuthi vele no you must. But kulama situation ukuthi like ngiyaku understand how isenza njalo. Amvumelani la one
But I can see
but I
why.
can see where you're coming from. Omunye umuntu akala reason dog.
You've got everything good going for you.
Like
Nale ngiyivuma.
awula reason dog.
Yabona ngicabanga njalo. Yikho abafazi abasenza khona emotional cheating because when they have to have a reason to cheat.
But you know what?
Amachita feel like sorry doctor. Amachita feel like ukucheat ngela reason yikho ku harmless. Cause I'm emotionally attached now. Once I start looking for tangible reasons to cheat.
Because sokulenkinga.
So wonakala. But I want to that's the one side of what I'm going to say. But I do agree with you. Kulamanye amachita akuzingelayo ukufeva. Laba namvumelani labo la. And I feel like that's my addition to what you're saying. What akula reason. Ukuthi umuntu namuhla uza umze sechaya ifoni sesithi azilonye ngitshele kwami okuse Harare so mfuna ubhatalela ibhasi kuwe. I'm like, man,
admine ngaka.
But I think omunye engaresponda na athi it's not really saying yokufeva ongela sizathu. Omunye utshela athi I'm just keeping my options wide.
hey. Yeah, lesi sizathu sifiliyo la sosoniso.
I think that's where we need to start.
But mina mvumelana la.
issues.
Mina I was just doing justification ya mama cheat ukuthi yena uthi kulokho ngela reason ikho harmless. Cause yabo once kule reason sensuka.
But I feel like very conversation today is be sharp. Like sesingayenza sifala. Ngakuthi khona ubusakhuluma dog.
Yeah, good. Just put
Mina
it up.
ngithi but akhona amachita afeba ngela sizathu. Kulokunye majenze kungani yiko vele khona kokunye umgcini. Kodwa abanye azwisisa mdala lapha.
Yazi enza unika example bro. Ulobole last week.
Yeah.
Next week
Ah, look at that.
That's insane.
Awuhlanzekanga.
And ndoko mina
Nah, look at
angikho kuposition yokukhuza because uyakwazi la mve ngiyawona vele amajita phela okuningi ezikhathini eziningi kunzima ukuthi sikhuzane because
But kumele sikhuzane, bro.
but dog
In as much as I'm not in a good space to say it, but someone needs to hear it.
ulobole last week oh
Konye kufebe ungahlanzekanga la I think awusazihloniphi la. Qala ulahlise 6 months la.
Self-respect.
ikomele basihloniphe la tamajita mele sihloniphaneni
Sikudelela nathi
singafakani kuma position ukuthi ngoba bro sihambe zathenga izikipa ukuthi sibiye sizotshona si pretend entweni yakho le ukuthi si happy thina singekho happy qedwe sufeva
No, I mean,
hayi
akunjalo hayi. Akunjalo I think it's a bit crazy.
but I know otherwise love and light. This was the Gents podcast.
Peace and love. Namhla we chose serenity and violence.
Yes sayifaka nini sayifaka ngeday esiyabe sidonda khona ukurecord might be next week, might be in 2 months, but I know for a fact I'll be deep in the bundles when this comes out.
Next week on 200.
No, it's 199. Sasinika abantu ikluyo ukuthi sirecorde nini noma sizayiposta next year. Anyways.
Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.